I can't take my dog to the pond anymore because the ducks keep attacking him. That's what I get for buying a purebred dog. The adjective for metal is metallic. But not so for iron, which is quite ironic. What's the difference between black-eyed peas and chickpeas? Black-eyed peas can sing us a song, but chickpeas can only hum us one. Does anyone know if there's a job vacancy out there for a fantasist? I imagine I'd be really good at that. Little known fact that before crowbars were invented, most crows drank at home. I've been told I am no good at poetry. In school I've been told I am no good at poetry because of my dyslexia, but I already made 2 jugs and a vase. What do you call a computer that sings? Adele. I'm Bob Jeffy. Before I go, be sure to check out and download my Daily Dad Joke app for Android. Good night all. I'll be back tomorrow. Thank you. This podcast was generated using AutoGen podcast technology from Classic Studios. These lame, groan-inducing jokes were sourced from the Dad Joke subreddit from reddit.com. See the podcast show notes page for joke credits and check out our Daily Dad Joke app on Android.